On behalf of the Butere Girls High School and alumni, thank you, Waziri Eliud Owalo and your team from Konza City for setting up this digital hub that will enable our students to enhance their digital skills. The World Economic Forum Future of Jobs report of 2016 spelled out a challenging future for the digitally unfit and a great opportunity for the digitally savvy. Experts predicted that technology and automation would cause the global workforce to lose 2/3 of traditional white-collar jobs in the coming years. This forecast saw governments and organizations globally prepare for this digital revolution, particularly keen to ensure young people were ready for the job market and responsive to new job opportunities. The Gitume project has seen over 28,000 users connected, over 8,700 courses enrolled, and 118 digital job platforms connected. The full implementation of the Gitume Digital Hubs project will spur a wave of digital jobs across the nation. As our president says, finya computer, upate dola. This digital hub will provide you with relevant skills that will prepare you for the digital Kenya you will encounter after you finish your studies here. It will enable you to learn and enhance your computer skills for general knowledge or for those who will take computer studies as an examinable course. This hub will also spare your parents the resources they would have spent on computer course fees when you complete school. As the country gears towards the fourth industrial revolution, we will need to be agile enough to ensure we take advantage of the emerging opportunities. We now live in the era of generative artificial intelligence, where technology enables our work and spurs efficiency. We need to be ready for this new era.